Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by acting now. During a call, press the side volume buttons to raise call volume while you listen. That directly controls the earpiece level. Next, make sure the ring/silent switch is set to ring and swipe to check Do Not Disturb is off, because silent modes lower audible alerts. Finally, turn off Bluetooth from Control Center to rule out paired headphones or speakers stealing audio. These immediate steps isolate software routing before deeper fixes. Once done with basics, open Settings and go to Sounds and Haptics. Enable Change with buttons so volume controls affect calls, then slide ringer and alerts up. Check headphone safety and volume limit to ensure levels aren't capped, and look at Accessibility Touch Call audio routing so audio isn't forced to speaker or headset. Make sure iOS is up to date, then restart the iPhone. If software causes muted calls, reset all settings can remove a problematic config without deleting data. Finish by verifying hardware. Gently inspect and clean the earpiece and bottom speaker with a soft brush because dirt muffles sound. Test with speakerphone, a wired headset, and a Bluetooth headset to determine whether the earpiece itself is faulty. If sound works on other outputs but not the earpiece, back up and restore iOS to rule out stubborn software. If still bad, contact Apple support or an authorized repair. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, try a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.